It's leaning.
There it goes. Got ready to hear it crack. Yep.
Mark's a little nervous. Got her.